Hey, we're here to pick up helicopters from Johannesburg and deliver them to Bangkok in a response to a UN request. The helicopters will be used in Burma for the humanitarian aid delivery. We're sort of this type of operation because of our size and our payload capability. There's not any other aircraft in the Australian fleet that's able to carry these size loads at the vast distances that we're able to do it. So it's we can combine a lot of effort in the old days to into 1 or 2 days now. The whole round trip was approximately 29 to 30,000 kilometres. Do carry a lot of Australian helicopters for our own defence forces, but this is the first time we've carried something of this dimension. Earlier on this month, we travelled from Australia up to Burma and delivered about 32 tonnes of aid and supplies.